safety, efficiency, or versatility. You never have to choose again when you choose the new Carolina BenchRack Versa. With a lift capacity of 4.5 tons, the Scissor design allows you to safely lift any vehicle. In each corner, there are support legs that make the bench more stable when it's collapsed. The adjustable ramps allow for vehicles of multiple widths to be lifted. The removable ramps also allow for more ease of access, making it more ergonomic to reach under the vehicle. Featuring wheel stops that add extra safety when loading a vehicle onto the ramps. The lift can be set to your specific ergonomic window to minimize effort and fatigue. With other Carolina products like the Caroltronic Vision 2 and the Evo systems, you can take your shop to the next level. The mounted safety switch allows you to easily connect the draw liner. The pillar jack with the extension allows you to lift the car at the specified OEM location. Explore everything your BenchRack Versa can do, from slight cosmetic work to full frame repairs. Choose what's right for your shop. Choose efficiency at its best. Choose Carolina.